Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. This is Ruaa Infinite, and today we're here to extend our heartfelt congratulations to all who observe the fast during the blessed month of Ramadan. Your dedication, perseverance, and devotion have truly been inspiring. Have you ever wondered about the significance of eidalfitr? It's a question that piques the curiosity of many, and today we delve into the captivating essence of this remarkable celebration. Eid al-Fitr, also known as the Festival of Breaking the Fast, is a joyous occasion that marks the end of the holy month of Ramadan. During Ramadan, Muslims worldwide observe a fast from dawn to sunset, a period of intense prayer, reflection, and community engagement. But as the crescent moon of Shawwal ascends in the night sky, the fast culminates, paving the way for Eid al-Fitr. But what does Eid al-Fitr truly signify? This celebration is more than just a feast marking the end of a month of fasting. It's a festival imbued with profound spiritual and social implications. As its name suggests, Eid al-Fitr, or the Festival of Breaking the Fast, signifies the successful completion of Ramadan's spiritual journey, a journey that nurtures patience, empathy, and self-discipline. Eid al-Fitr is a time of joy and gratitude, a moment to express sincere appreciation for the blessings received and the strength achieved throughout the month of Ramadan. It's an occasion for shared merriment, where families and friends come together to enjoy a festive meal. This meal, often a lavish spread of traditional delicacies, is a symbol of unity and mutual celebration. But the festival extends beyond gastronomic delights. It's a time of giving, of extending kindness and compassion. Traditionally, Muslims engage in giving zakat al-Fitr, a form of charity given before the Eid prayer, ensuring that everyone, regardless of their financial circumstances, can partake in the joy of Eid. Moreover, Eid al-Fitr is also a time of forgiveness, a time to mend strained relationships and to let go of past grievances. It's an opportunity to start afresh with a heart filled with love, kindness, and understanding. In essence, Eid al-Fitr is a celebration of unity, compassion, and spiritual renewal. It's a testament to the strength of the human spirit, a celebration of perseverance, and a reminder of the joy that comes from giving, forgiving, and sharing in communal harmony. But there's another equally significant festival in Islam, Eid al-Adha, also known as the Festival of Sacrifice. Eid al-Adha is a poignant celebration that pays homage to the unwavering obedience of Prophet Ibrahim. As some of you may know, the story tells of how Prophet Ibrahim, upon receiving a divine command, was willing to sacrifice his son, Ismail. This act of obedience, however, was not about the physical sacrifice, but rather a test of unwavering faith. At the very last moment, Allah replaced Ismail with a ram, sparing the child's life. So the essence of Eidalada is not about the act of sacrifice itself, but what it symbolizes: complete submission to the will of Allah and a readiness to give up our most beloved possessions in His name. This festival is observed with the practice of Qurbani, a tradition where Muslims worldwide perform the ritual of sacrificing an animal, typically a sheep, goat, or cow. This act is more than a mere ritual. It is a symbolic gesture, reminding us of the necessity to part with what we hold dear for the greater good. But the story doesn't end with the sacrifice. The meat from the Qurbani is divided into 3 parts. One part is for the family who made the sacrifice. The second part is given to friends and neighbors. And the third part is distributed to those in need. This act of sharing not only strengthens communal bonds, but also ensures that the joy of Eid al-Adha reaches the less fortunate. In essence, Eid al-Adha is a festival of faith, sacrifice, and benevolence. It serves as a reminder of our duties towards our fellow beings, encouraging us to share our blessings and extend compassion to those less fortunate. It reinforces the values of empathy, charity, and unity, all of which are foundational pillars of Islam. Eid al-Adha teaches us about faith, sacrifice, and the importance of submitting to the will of Allah. As we celebrate, let's remember these lessons and strive to incorporate them into our lives, not just during Eid, but every day. As we celebrate these joyous occasions, the true essence of Eid shines through. It's more than just a time for feasting and festivities. It's a time for reflection, gratitude, and spiritual renewal. The essence of Eid is found in the unity and compassion that it fosters, in the community bonds it strengthens, and in the acts of kindness it inspires. The spirit of Eid is embodied by the families who come together to share meals, exchange gifts, and extend kindness to those less fortunate. It's seen in the way communities rally together to support each other, in the way they reach out to those in need, and in the way they share the blessings they've received. Eid is also a time for forgiveness. It's a time to let go of past grievances, to mend broken relationships, and to open our hearts to reconciliation and peace. It's a time to remember that we are all part of a larger community, a global brotherhood and sisterhood of humanity, and that our actions, no matter how small, can have a profound impact on the lives of those around us. Moreover, the essence of Eid is found in the lessons it teaches us. From Eid-al-Fitr, we learn about the importance of gratitude and the joy of sharing. From Eid-al-Adha, we learn about faith, sacrifice, and the importance of submitting to the will of Allah. These lessons remind us to continually strive for betterment, to give back to our communities, and to share our blessings with those less fortunate. But most importantly, Eid is a time for love. It's a time to express our love for Allah, for our families, for our communities, and for humanity as a whole. It's a time to spread love and kindness, to bring joy and happiness to others, and to make the world a better place. As we celebrate Eid, let's remember its true essence. Let's strive to strengthen our bonds of brotherhood and sisterhood, to spread love and kindness, and to remember the less fortunate among us. These acts of kindness and love embody the true spirit of Eid. As we prepare to celebrate Eid, here are some essential actions to consider. Firstly, giving charity, or zakat al-Fitr, is a pillar of Eid celebrations. It's a time to reflect on our blessings and share them with those less fortunate. You might consider donating to charitable organizations or directly to individuals in need. It could be helpful to set aside a portion of your Eid budget specifically for this purpose. And remember, even small acts of kindness can make a big difference in someone's life. Secondly, Eid is a wonderful time to help the needy. This could be as simple as volunteering your time at local shelters, food banks, or community centers. You might offer assistance to elderly neighbors or individuals who may be struggling. Sharing surplus food or clothing with those less fortunate is another beautiful way to embody the spirit of Eid. Shake hands and spread joy. Greet everyone with a warm smile and a handshake, or appropriate cultural gesture. Share heartfelt compliments and positive wishes with those you meet. Create a welcoming atmosphere of joy and unity wherever you go. Visit families. Make an effort to visit relatives and loved ones, especially those you haven't seen in a while. Plan gatherings or potluck dinners to celebrate Eid together. Take the time to catch up, reminisce, and strengthen familial bonds. Connect with parents. Prioritize spending time with your parents and showing them love and respect. Express gratitude for their sacrifices and guidance throughout the year. Make phone calls or video calls to parents who may be far away to let them know you're thinking of them. Share the spirit of Eid. Invite friends and neighbors to join in your celebrations, fostering a sense of community. Extend invitations to those who may not have plans or family nearby. Embrace diversity and inclusivity, welcoming people from all backgrounds to share in the joy of Eid. Lastly, Eid is a perfect opportunity to forgive others. Forgive others. Use Eid as an opportunity to let go of grudges and reconcile with others. Practice forgiveness and compassion towards family members, friends, and acquaintances. Remember that forgiving others is not only beneficial for them, but also for your own peace of mind. It's a time to let go of grudges and reconcile with those we may have had differences with. Practicing forgiveness and compassion towards family members, friends, and acquaintances is a powerful way to celebrate the spirit of Eid. In Islam, it's believed that forgiving others is not only beneficial for our relationships, but also for our own spiritual growth. So as we immerse ourselves in the joy and celebration of Eid, let's not forget these essential actions. Whether it's giving charity, helping the needy, or forgiving others, these acts of kindness and love embody the true spirit of Eid. They remind us of our shared humanity, our responsibility towards one another, and the importance of community. As we conclude, let's take a moment to remember that the essence of Eid is not just in the grand celebrations, but in these small acts of kindness that touch lives and make a big difference. So, this Eid, let's strive to be kind, to be generous, and to be forgiving. Remember that even small acts of kindness can make a big difference in someone's life. As we draw our discussion to a close, we extend our heartfelt wishes to you and your loved ones. The spirit of Eid is not just about good food, new clothes, and joyful celebrations. It's about the unity and compassion that bring us together, the faith and sacrifice that inspire us, and the acts of charity and kindness that bind us. These two Eids, Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha, are moments of celebration, but they also serve as reminders of the values we hold dear as a community. They encourage us to embrace the spirit of giving, to be generous with our time and resources, and to reach out to those less fortunate. They call on us to forgive past grievances, to extend our love and kindness to others, and to strengthen our relationships with our family and friends. And as we celebrate, let's remember the less fortunate among us. Let's share our blessings and extend a helping hand to those in need. Let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty in our diversity, the strength in our unity, and the joy in our shared celebrations. So as we embark on these joyous occasions, let's carry these messages in our hearts. Let's strive to embody the true spirit of Eid, not just during these celebrations, but every day. Let's make every day an opportunity to spread love, kindness, and positivity in our communities. And with that, we conclude our discussion on the significance and celebrations of Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. We hope this has helped deepen your understanding and appreciation of these special occasions. From all of us at Ruaa Infinite, we wish you and your loved ones a blessed Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. May these auspicious occasions bring you joy, peace, and prosperity. Eid Mubarak.